Hi, my name's Kristen with Hole in One International, and today I'm going to show you how to obtain a shootout insurance quote through our website. The address is www.holeinoneInternational.com, which will bring you to this main page here. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the leftmost rectangular button here that says Instant Quote or Bind Hole in One Contest Insurance. Once you've done that, it will bring you to a login screen. If you're a returning customer, feel free to enter your email and your password into these fields. Otherwise, if you're a new user, just go ahead and click on the button that says I am a new user. To create an account, we are going to need some information from you. Your name, the company you work for. We do need an accurate mailing address as well. We'll also need your phone number. And under client type, you have a variety to choose from, but if none of them accurately describe what you do, you can just go ahead and choose miscellaneous. We will need your email address, as well as a password of your choice. And once you're done filling that out, just click Save. And we'll be brought to a quote screen here that asks if you'd like a new hole-in-one quote or a new putting quote. Since a shootout is considered a hole-in-one, we're just going to click on that button. And it'll bring you to a quote page asking you for the name of your event. And it'll also ask you which golf course you'll be playing at. Under option 1, we're going to click to add a quote. And under contest format, we're going to select shootout. The contest start date is basically just the date that the event will be taking place. The number of days in the contest, I'm just going to say we'll be insuring it for 1 day. We will need to know the hole number that you plan on using. Most people, when they're holding a shootout, hold it on hole 18 because it's closest to the clubhouse, but it's completely up to you. For the yardage, our minimum yardage is 135 yards. For this quote, I'll just say it's 165. Amateur shots per day, club pro shots per day, and tour pro shots per day. It's just asking how many players you have. Mine are going to be all amateurs, and I will qualify it down to 5 people. For the value of the prize, you'll notice in red here at the bottom, it does say for amounts greater than $50,000 to please call. But as long as your amount is $50,000 or under, you can still use the quoting system this way. For the description, I'll just say it's a cash prize. But if you're insuring something different like a vehicle, you can always put the description of the vehicle in there. We're going to go ahead and click Get Price. And you'll see at the bottom here it shows a certificate fee, which is how much you're going to be paying for the coverage. If everything looks good, you'll select this option, and you have the choice to either email yourself the paperwork or continue to bind coverage. We usually encourage people to continue to bind, but keep in mind if you decide to do that, you will need to pay with a credit card. If you email yourself the paperwork, you do have to fill out paperwork manually, but you have the option to pay later and pay with a check if you would prefer that as well. Right now, I'll click Continue to Bind Coverage. It'll ask you to read over the certificate terms, which are basically just our rules and regulations. So once you're done reading those over, just click that you agree and continue. And it will bring you to the signage page. All of our shootouts do come with a complimentary sign that have the sponsor's name as well as the prize description. The only thing you'll need to do is click on here whether it's an AM or PM start, and then whether you want to ship the sign to a home or business address. Once you're done filling in that criteria, at the bottom it'll ask you what you would like to put on the sign. For the description, I said it was a $50,000 cash prize, so I'm going to go ahead and put that. And then under sponsor's name, We usually just do text. However, if you would like a logo applied to your sign, that's perfectly fine. You just need to email us the logo file, and the email to send that to would be artwork@hioi.com. If you are sending a logo, what we usually encourage people to do is just put in parentheses that you're sending one over. So right here, I'll just put logo emailed. And then once you're done filling that out, you can continue. And once you do so, it'll pop up with a screen prompting you for payment information. Keep in mind we will need credit card, either Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. But once you're done filling that out, it will email you with a UPS tracking number telling you when your signs should be available to you and when they'll be delivered. And that'll go out the same business day at the end of it. And that about concludes the process. If you have any other questions about the shootouts or the process of the online quotes, the live help phone number is located above here, 1-800-827-2249. Hopefully this video has helped answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, go ahead and please give us a call. Thank you for watching.